wuluta silo kanne ate bant so to ngani mole tara bode watra la domoro banta because ila moto nyi singote tele bo didaka to ngatra je dinno nyi was very young kamande so watra ni Algeria ka ye dinno tawe muso nyi bantal
okay
so dinno nyi tabulle no melbe ani to mantra nyoka ani to mantra faye exactly so wata mo tara nyim fenko nyim mewol be mbulu tengi no afta nga bolli ngadi muso nyi ka di dinno
so ata wuluda silo kanjele ata fada je so ida dena no muta yo
dena no nyi
so ya tuje so hima bade fa
madam
ala fanya ta bade mo
iba badla be fengo sinna fengo electrical to wala motor to fengo pelo ka trajele no
on gameno
no muso nyima gameno but it's also a migrant
Listen.
Ngama ni manyina Cameroon because even the way ala molbe nyame na ni melbe kay kilimo kan ko nyine ke e mo fa ni mo bita kan afatal bulu albe kenyo nyine ke because kenyo da male aka kenyo nyo wuru kala male ke ya fenke din kan ko na rabo mare ni bondi la leno o kan ko na selak na sia so those days come they will take a stick ya londi je come ya lon ko bade ko it's thousands of them before like a mold bade da men bade ko ji wol fonke makole pelo ka tare bulle no
so you see your own fellow brothers dying and then hundreds of them lying down on the journey from Algeria getting trying to cross one or two places to get into another city and then
no manya ka fulo wala first place ti nga bar so men foyete wala first place ti
so mo ka moje mo fulo ka laring
ma journey from start foyete mo jaba fara
so what comes to your mind kabri yewolje
probably I'm next
so say at that moment do you regret
of course
thank you because I want to know the truth yalla mo
regretting not like kabri bamako siol wala ga ma domoro siba ka domoro mo fenke because ka membele mo ka be findindle because aka ke new domoro lati men ko bi ani mo ko wok jio dum buka minno Algeria kono mebi jio ni neti ga kono ka yoele jio la kanno
so ba ko fande ko
I regret
yeah
I regret it earlier. I regret the woman thing. And for being, sometimes I regret, but it's also my best decision in my life.
Yeah. I like this. I like it because the reason why I want to say this is because, alhamdulillah, you are protected. But you have seen that so many of your brothers and sisters, they perished. If I understand.
Yeah.
You understand? And that, for that being the case, you understand. You know, okay, even though I'm major, but to be honest, I regret taking that journey.
Yeah.
Be I'm friend and not make. But ni ko nyemu ni Gambia o magame ko nyiko len shilo ko tek hanata ko tubabu e ko fengo len tita
aman jara nyawla fa e ma bandi e mal muta abe tambilal abe duna borso
wow this is
so ndata troko kono sidi kabri kana troko aren komi hada madi ngoje fintina komi bungol mem be bidje kamara fa komi ka be mfayeldi mole fintina foi kamara fa komi trok jama mebi convole be duna trok kili molbe siaring 250 people sidi mol
ikasile
ikasile sinketenten doesi ja doesi wanya yaran se kama kombi
ba ko to ngapa sajul
ni tata nin twetala ikamara fa komi ko ngata nin trokole wala efisia mbadi ndata nin trokola madu ayte tan nin trokola
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Right now at the station.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people. Being negative, you should be getting after it. I got all the facts over tracks.
So Abdullah right now, Abdullah have a very interesting story. So for now we went for that time for a walk, and our London follow,
Mysterious because you are behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I
had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence, something I didn't compensate. Mental health is confidence, dreams, it's a modestness. I'm not here to say anything, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna
Here is Abdullah. Today I'll be giving my story about who I am, where I come from, and where I am today. Been inspired with many Gambians who have been with Sidiso. I know him through this internet as usual. Many Gambians had interview with him. I'm also part of the Gambian community, and I'm also part of the people who want to share their stories because they are inspired by many people who came here as asylum seekers, and I'm also an asylum seeker here in Germany. And yeah, I am been moved by many people who came to Germany here, and they came through this asylum system, and I've been inspired. They shared their stories, how they left the Gambia, came through the Sahara Desert and crossed the Mediterranean Sea to come to Italy or any other country in Europe. And I'm also part of those people, and today I'll be sharing my interesting story about you guys. Like I said, many people came here. They have been able to be professional doctors, professional nurses, professional teachers. Some are at here. So I also want to be one of them. I've watched one video from Sidiso whereby he was interviewing one of the German professional, I think it's an arte, something like that. He does OP, so in the anesthesia. So I'm also inspired by that guy. So yeah, I'll be sharing my interesting story today.
Hello guys, like I said to you guys, so today we are here in Berlin and we meet along a very motivating, inspiring young man from Gambia, and we're here just to know a little bit about his story, because we know that every successful man, there is a story behind, and we believe that some of these stories start from somewhere else, and this is why before we jump into conclusion, we will always want to start from the background, the foundation, childhood time, who he is, and how was his childhood. So stay tuned with me here. Like I said, I'm here with Abdullah, and my name is Sidi Sedikan. I'm the host, and badil men jibe kan Gambia ning Abdullah be jami anon ko Gambia no mati. Now kacha ala story la men ka bo Gambia kata tonis anin kata tubabu du bari. Everybody's story, there's something special about it. So stay tuned. So Abdullah, thank you so much for welcoming me in Berlin.
Thank you so much.
All the fans they are waiting for you. I know some of them hear your story on TikTok with you, but I think this is gonna be the place where everybody will sit down at home and then watch you live on YouTube. So how do you feel today with me?
I'm feeling good. I'm also happy to receive you here in Berlin, and I'm very grateful. Always, you can always come, contact me. You'll be highly welcome.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm really welcomed here. I really have 1,000 places to go. I really want to book my hotel. Some of my friends said, if you do that, I'll be very angry with you. Abdullah said, Sidi, you are coming to me. I even asked him. He said, you are coming to me. So I think I would love to welcome you home, so that we can at least have some time together. And I enjoyed every time that I spent with him since yesterday. So yeah, Abdullah, so let's go to it. I really want to know, Abdullah, tell us a little bit about yourself, who is Abdullah, and I'm a little bit about your childhood and where are you from in Gambia, and some of these things before we start to go deep into your story.
Thank you so much, Sidi, for the question. I think I have to start in English so that many people have the opportunity to hear from me and the interesting story about myself. what's my name, where I come from, my background. I know my family will be happy right now watching me speak. Their boy is growing every day. So yeah, my name is Abdullah Jabi, Kasama Jabi. The people who know me knows me of Kasama, but I'm Abdullah Kasama Jabi. So yeah, I'm living in Berlin, originally from Fonyi. I was born and raised in Kamfenda. I think that will be an inspiring story for many people back home there, and my regards to everyone who is watching me. So Sidi, I came from an extended family, my mom and my dad, my siblings, my stepmom, my siblings everywhere, we live in a very extended family. I'm someone who is very engaged. I love going to school. I've been a schoolboy. People who knows me will say, yeah, I know him, they know me of Gas Boy. Everyone knows me. I'm so known by the people back home. So I've visited my nursery school, I went to the primary school at Sangajo Basic Cycle School. They know me, I was their head boy, so everyone knows me.
Oh really?
I was the head boy, so I'm well known around the area. And I then completed my Sangajo Basic Cycle School. I went to Fatima Senior Secondary School. I was also well known. I know the teachers will be very proud seeing their boy speaking here in front of you. My regards to everyone. As I said before, my parents are back home. I live in an extended family. What we know is agriculture.
Additional time, before you leave, you call it right? So what am I for jibang? Natala na fin na system ako.
Okay, Sidi, kabrin tinga di sono nyinta ko mi ko mbe leave la mbe banko nyimbulala. Malon na bang mbe laban na dama. Laban bla molo. Bari ngalo ne mol katale buka futa mol katale ka muruna mol katale ni yokatuje. Bon ndela hamom menti wala nka finti. So wota matra nga dokol domandi ngol menke nga furol men doku sama senol to nga kodol domandi ngol mel landi nyokang ntata na broda kiliya han na wulula motiye me yalon. Han mo kilim ma faye. Motiye fa nga fo me fo kotoke kili nga na kodotu membul. Abe lifren dala jele. Ngai ko ntara kan kai ko lafa kan banko blal lafa tamalal. Lafa duma silo tala. Akonye ko akodo webul. Nkai ha. Akonye preta le nkai ha. So what I was physically, financially, mentally, emotionally fit to take this journey. Mparata pruka wuli doron kata ka dunia dula fanal jibe komiko mentol be sone yala.
Opportunity be David.
Exactly. Akonye ko no problem. Nkai ko foni dokoma stano ba. Akonye dokoma akonye ha. Adokoma. Bani fa asunjo susu adilal. Akonye ko ta fa ina sonta. Ntara kan nga kuma ndingai ko ndela fa nyimban ko bula la fa tamala. Ay njibe. Akonye la fa tamala ngai ha akonye ko muntuma. Ngai ko lokum fula. Lokum fula in lokum fula comme in lokum fula men kana. Jeni lokum fula. Ngai ko ela sala ngata nyola. E parra pour ngata. Akonye ko foni mam pare. Akam da ko mi ko atle pare ta kata minte fongoti.
Ngonkola fo. Akonye nyawo sina kanyimba.
Yeah. Ngai ko kodo nimbe bulle ba akonye ha. Because ateka duku aka tiling kelete aka fencing kana aka bullo kelete akonye ngado mondin safely ngai ko ma ko ni bita nga fayne already akonye ko ni bita abe ma ko lele ichanta dawda fana be ma ko lele ana rafa nyete no okay saying ngani fence wala bamba nim preta jang ngata mawdo ko to tiliflo tilisa boko no nga fence nyin complete nga elo nyin complete taje do ndi fo mon complete ntata na sister ya busumbala ngalaje ate malon ko tata tiketo sangolu ngo fo be bago ko fola because na brother sol bijan na sister sol bijan me an ko be janne but nte motije wol kono me an ko mi ko ba fala
sobita
asobitan na wala askeno sa fo no ko mi ko nyin akungo jatle asayin duma silo tano but yello ne momi an ko la fakara ngolale so ko mi kaaje ko mi momi an ko abe banko blele kanaja momi an kala fakara maybe he will abe fen karano la faye gambia jele so but motije me an ko mi ngaso be anu motije me an ko mi ko mbafla ko mi ko nyin jikita wala ni ngayin silo tana abe ma ko lale ngaji ko nawlu lalo masoro nte yin silo tala nga espe komi ko mole be mako ni o mamare mo mako wala be murura wala be tula silo kan so do mani mo be mbul malon fa ben sin la faten sin bon tengal komi ko membe mbula ben sambalal ara fanyo ko okay ntata banjul boss tesonoto men kata bamako nga tiketo sang it was costing like asera do mandin kele tiketo nyin sang nata bamako na sister ngalaje bus mbala te fango nim be bagwe fo ngai ko bagwe ente tawoto ate malon ko nenga tiketo nden tiketo be siring be next day button yeah because ni buko mo so bindi if you make a decision ta ni be silesi because ala be marin ko be la mo malong mo e bile long ba samo mo long so you learn from yesterday ka karam kunu ne la Allah je di folende wulta nina broda nyim benta fa nantara la ko ni ngai men sef ay wotana ntara brika ma ko do nyim falin sef ala mur nantara banjul 6 nga bosota banjul mfinta banjul wo suto nga mana nata fo boda to ngalaje boda ka don Senegal to because boda ma yela o time so ngalaje fo somonda e molla katol jibe e mol bulan tambita no Gambia tala ko nala nyamen komi fo se ko do kunta because ni be Gambia bulala e ka jele komi ko tebe kata karangola e bukata Senegal e bukata more visit maybe probably you are leaving this country to engage on the back way e kal kan ko do la you have to pay money ni mo jobe murun la because ete tambino la ni dinta Senegal boda ko no the same thing Senegal e koliata ye nga kodo jole nga kodo joy ka kodo joy checkpoint ni fata checkpoint mo me fo se kodo jo fata checkpoint mo me fo se kodo jo etambi fata checkpoint mo me fo se kodo jo nga kewle nyama dunda Senegal kono finta Senegal bagwe man start Gambia ni Senegal bagwe start Bamako le silo la kolia start Bamako le wala ni mo jamal nat ni fata jere ki ka murun ko because tambi dulati ye e man ko seron kabri ka finti mam modo long ni ko seria ante mo malon fanko molle katraje milan ko mi ko ka mol smogul
ay molon
no kabinte katante katale ko mi ko me fata jere ngam moto ta ngel do ta exactly
haje ma kamero
because man malong amake man aware but I don't know that is the system
information you should
no
but I come so how do you feel about because na ko ba fala ko I'm prepared but I think there are certain things I'm prepared
yeah you can never prepare because imalon fane kata moment ready you don't know the agents you are meeting exactly koksero sa fano ji ay problem so ete koksero melon so you have to communicate with people mol men fanan tambita mol men be nyaato if you want to learn on the journey how to move from step to step mol men tambita jele ka wolle contact ya fo ko mi ko tata ni jumale yala e kata nyaade le jang e tambita ni stage la kata ni stage to Gambia ma wara e ka borre minute dantar rek ya bang ni dunta Algeria kono Mali kono fon e kala woldo komi dunia fanutale
be mola
Senegal warata ya Senegal bor ya dum Mali kono ya Mali bor Mali dula dol bije kamra fa komi ko no Mali teng maybe dunta banku dole kono ena bor fo dum Bamako kono Bamako kono bagwe start wol kolya ndanga na kolya start ka fiul wol
Bamako kono
ye mam molong nim bo men tata ngawda malo ani mol mi an ko blata boskile yalla fo fana kara bagwe silo kan nim boy fula jointa mol kan mi yalan ko mi ngelong kan na domorol ke nyola nga ko nyola nga contact sol sea ko mi nga ko sero nga bolo men tambitani silo la ay ñin tambitani ñin kare la ñin kare la no be mbulle nga mari call final kama because it tanu dulate mon dulalong so ko sero ya dama ko sero se samano motol men ko mol smogul so ni man ko sero lo tambino la ñaato so on sa remember nim bolbe boso kono mi an ko mi ko they were not prepared e buta school the following day lumen antan wututa fango e buta school before that day because of la bol dunta to wabudu hamoñing wole wulindi the following day comme ko ka ki dugana man tamé fok ma duga tul bas bi dal nako
man dama dem
comme but some of the people they are financially stable like their parents are financially stable so they are like okay ni wultan tata e ben support lale they will not just leave me back but some were like nina parents of en call sama mbe fen ko nyede mbe boso tala nga muro eno di folen de fa ngata school ngake ko mi ko fe man happen ko mi mani silo fo ma so I feel like some people are not prepared modol bi je man pare pour ka silo nyinta they are not emotionally ready because if you are emotionally fit to take this journey you will never think of going back kabente wututa ko matati je nyaato doron
I get it so saying I started for Mali. So you said Mali, Allah Hodul started your order.
Yeah.
So what are they? Like, give us one or two examples of the hurdles that you faced before you continue to Algeria.
Okay, Mali kabrim futata woto boy ni nimme menyo kam boy fulo ni nata konta ko soro komi koksero ya ntata je. Koksero ni mol charge like $27,000. Kay ko ke bar wasiyatal kamol sama kabo Bamako kata fo Timbuktu.
Bamako nama?
Yeah.
27,000.
Dalasi.
Gamen koksero?
Yeah, gamen koksero. Gamen no be farin je tep tamen non tataji. Be farin je tep.
La ilaha. $27,000.
$27,000.
Mali.
Yeah. Kabo Bamako kata fo Timbuktu. But it's a very difficult juncture. Je kolia battle. Je ngaja le nying ambulance, nying Gambia ambulance wala nying jiponteng. It's jipo bo akoma ni. For example, nying ambulance exactly. Nying Range Rover sol le kataje. Range Rover da malake sambaji. But Range Rover jele ike dunda ike cylinder san koma ka cover like 35 people. 35.
Wala Range Rover nungo.
Yeah. 35 people ika si moto kono teng.
Do siga.
Ye move la lembo do ka si jang.
No lon.
Like ika detela ike si wona kini nyobala leno. Je kolia battle. But it depends also. So man na tawo koksero nya because of a certain ngamudo le mialan komiko it was a little bit cheaper because I paid 22,000 mofla. Momo 22,000 to mofla. So it's like 44,000. And wo boy full ni mel nata nyol.
Interesting.
Yeah. But it depends. Koksero sometimes among komiko they have their fixed price. Sometimes it's not them no wala komiko ay la brother lo wala ay la molo ya diam kari na kar la fam ay pousse ay dundi moto kono rek ay ta fenjo la fam. It depends.
Wow. But 22,000 that's also a lot. Banko kilim kono.
So what 22,000 kono anata mula pocket money komi na domore fengo ni na fengo anata obe arrange komi nyanta ko domoro menke anata to ko akita mo kende bati o ko soro ni men to boni men non Timbuktu. Yeah. Because what Timbuktu you have to cross Baku. Malimam ba soto kome baba tenge mo mam josoro bake. But there is a place e ka fo je Baku. Yeah. So feri ko na jela kalsika. Je ni futata je ko table ke wafile. Ni sulal bi Timbuktu le melan komi ko e kana jele kana mol sang sojarol bulu. Sojarol bi jele no. Yeah. So sojarol ya ni futata woto. You have to pay because ila koksero membe Timbuktu, he have to cross and come and collect you. So this coxer table, and coxero is very important at that place. Ni coxer table, then they have to sell you. He will take you to prison. The people who went through there, whom I'm speaking to, they know. You have to go mele Timbuktu my balona, you know. You have to go to prison. Your people, they will call your people back home, and that is more expensive than you having a coxer. Ka agent soro.
Transfer.
Because now the parents will call, and they will torture you. Ibele parents call it's like human smuggling, make a human smuggling because like scammers ole be call le afo comme ko la kari bi jane nga soro ne e be ko do kilana ne nyin ko di kari
for the ransom
amaga pour ye pousse de pour ye bula damma
ransom they ask you to pay money if not
so ndola ko sero nata mol kama bada la jele ate police sojarol ni ngay ko do dile la comme ay ko do ngamen joje abondi wolto no ay sojarol jole kala bol kole kat ni mel fe mo do kono ay mol sambala so kono nga bol tara faringe tep all nationalities Gambian be farinje Gambian koksero Gambian be farinje ani fulol be dendi Guineano no Guineano fa na be siarinje bo koksero yinata beti antol kan ejento nyi fo nyin kole
luckily
so luckily over katale
mashallah
ala ta kola na silo etaria atalen
luckily no ala ko ga yalon nyin kol be mo walti bala ko fa nga jemo pleje ni barakata
so sidi Timbuktu je koliatale ka findi Timbuktu kono dunda trokol kono mel dunda trokol kono e balo la mol mel dunda nang like September October mol me anko majority me anko probably mol bi je men silo from material but ndela silo taria batale.
Tell me, you spoke about Bamako, right? Bamako 22,000 you paid all those things so people cross and they go with Lamen for Bada to Bafana. Yeah, I understand. Interesting. So wow. So but at the end of the day you said it worth it because ikajela ko mol bi jeme anan ko ke wafi
because ikajela ko mi ko ni man ko do nyinjo e kana torale e kana fene jo men siata woti so wala na ni ma agent keno so agent bi jeme anan ko agent lu mi man betia e say charge no maybe 15,000 wala 14,000 but after all you fataji yene nyaka sila you know because you have to pay that money for them to bail you because you be wafi la sojarol mala sojarol they are just there for the money ite nyini kala kaito ite nyini kala fene no you just have to pay the money and you go. You are free to walk.
Wow.
Yeah.
Interesting. So from there, so another move towards
so natata kabla mul collect bato je anata mul dundi moto kono moto nyiko na fama bije anata mul sambala so kono.
Okay.
So we went to his house ala faye nyunto akela blado to bara always he is always there. Jama koksero fa kata koksero yale abukata dame. He's always far from yela kodo be jo yela kodo be transfer tetraje afo komi ko okay nyulun kari komba bi na moto na alchika be tem ko koksero ni from wade bukaje you don't even know how the person looks like.
Okay.
So but at the koksero ni tolbe no meya he was very good to us atleka domoro from wade atleka domoro di mola still na kodo ni menjo so mbije kombanya na wula troko ni trok kanya ndim ni troko men ka berol bi Gambia
Katamundo
ala kanyandi kabo Timbuktu kata Borso
mundo
Borso be Algeria kono
okay
so Algeria kono dado be ka fay inafara ntol nga je dive le but je is very dangerous and mo jamal le bi je han fo bi mo jamal le fata je mo jamal le nyotuta je ke do kun de fo yanan ko bina fala yebula wala do kun fo yanan ko ni bine fala rek yesamba piko pota rek yesamba ke desaro kono rek yebula je
what
yeah because you cannot anymore je ka fen ko samba fuelo yale ka fuelo le like essence membe Algeria e ko le small gol ka duna Mali kono so that is what they do so yetara je ka fuelo ke bidan fen ko kono bari ko kono alcohol le pousse na mol traje me an komi ko they went there they were able to escape to walk to come back to Timbuktu but even you see their situation ibal na komi ko ñul almost they are almost dead
so lo
ka fo komi ko nal tata inafara wala ka fo komi boydo bi ka fo komi ko nal tata duna because of what he faced and it's true it's very hard but driver men final samba na lokita e ma bandi e mal muta abetambilal abeduna Borso
wow this is
so ndunda troko kono sidi kabri kana troko arrange comme yi hada badingo e fintina comme bungol même be bidje kamera comme ka bim fayeldi mole fintina foi kamera comme trok jama maybe convoy be dun trok kili molbe siaring 250 people sidi mol même moy kay they will know mol men ko ni na rañu because in my past interview nga menke TikTok there were people whom you know I came with them ni benu ñoo they were like Sidi what he was saying is the fact even in the comment section I was with him and I know him they know what I'm saying 250 people na bita Twitter la 37 35 people Twitter koma alka sid
ikasile
sinketenten doesi ja doesi wanya yaranse kama kombi
ba ko to kama Sadio
ni tata nin Twitter la ikamara ko mi ko ngata nin trokol wala official mbadi ndata nin trokol la madu ay teta nin trokol la trokol buke nigi no santo be ka kangol one mol comme ni sida ibuka lono ni lota ibuka sino alka kelle fo janal be futar sidi kabrin tol bina wutula ay boto na ko sero nyin ko do men jode 22000 drink all ten sardine on ten mburo kun 60 ntol mo 6 ntol le pousse ntol gambiano mo 6 ay mo le den mburo kun 60 ngol sa mo 10 because we know that it might be a 4 days journey it might be more than that but koksero ni lo be sang I be sang because he know it he have the experience mo tambita la mel pousse mi am ko tambita je they know what they face ay jio sa molye kabinto futana je ni na domoro people were laughing but at the end they were crying and we were laughing ndotar last day to law domoro o jioni o domoro be abe banta o last day fon ntol fonta ngo kelo ka kele is by force ngammi ngila jota ngammi ngase mbo soretle ba gambiano mo ya respect nyim banku la dan nango be bu ka hani gambiano la
okay on to
yeah
jamako
they know you as a Gambian they won't attack you ikavale kana ma inya kasala ala kubu ka bang
happiness wala
yeah Gambiano ibuka hani no ya lo mu Gambiano to take ibukema ni Ivory Coast Côte d'Ivoire ni banko Senegalais nyago like you meet them you are Gambian problem tela because they will not force fight you itele be kelendla maybe yejo but ibukema I don't know about other people's experience but ndeni moment bebe nyola di Gambiano mo ibuka oma ntola jio bijele ntola last day jio because troko kono jio nyinte itale ikasi jio kanne because there is no space 250 people kabi ko mol dung sula fimma wala ka mol muta ke nyori ke kanamba ake nyura ke dundi moto kono troko buka fa damata mol man bang sula fenklim bije comme moto ne man fa damata mol man bang abe nyukala jele fo mom membe be duma be sele akal nyukal Sidi it was so hard moto nyum fo mo wutu folo we don't feel comfortable moto nyi wutota lotije alnyane lala dama khal abelola world dulale bije special dulale bije abelola because abe mu kenyolti so afana nga fan time le professional driver so limit every day bije troko Sidi
this is not one of the reasons why some of our brothers to do but mentally they are off they a man cave and you know they lose their
The sufferings.
What they went through.
The sufferings. What you see with your eye. For example, you do that desert of Nankana, you can make fananje. For example, I ben mofi, hadabadi mofi, abe firing, a kulo be laring. Italo na jumaleng, italo na wena fata, italo na munafa. Kulukensong.
Yeah.
So if you see that kind of thing, it's trauma.
Big trauma.
Okay, Mari affect more especially if you have never seen something like that. Even you have seen it, but in this situation, because you are thinking of Fonte Fonbe Canal Lebang, Fonte Bekala next one.
So see a dead person and the bones are lying down.
Yeah.
And you have to continue your journey.
Yeah. What can you do? Nothing.
Oh, interesting. So now
I can to let jail bantale CD. The jail banta last day. You have to buy. So motor bijele taxi bijele, for example, like that main cart na fa moka fa de sato kona kasia. One reason is imam kodi kendojo koksero e samana fo kenyo kono janibe futala borso because troko nyi me sikati futan la borso taxi le binal kamala. So taxi la kodonyi is very important. Ni uma important ni bete to la jël troko nyi mem murra malile taxi nyi mem ni nol ci kala ta. So you have to walk 2 days journey again without food, without water. Wala kat na moja maka fa.
2 days journey.
Yeah, 2 days. Pour katamoji kaboji kata for borso.
48 hours.
Yeah. You have to walk.
48 hours.
Yeah.
You have to walk as a migrant to be able to be in another country.
To be able to be in another city, like from a village to village. At Borso, it's like Kenya kono kabo desa to kata Borso.
So it's not even a country.
No. Algeria ka borre like it ka borre full day from a village, from a town to another town. It ka borre full day buka fata. Moto be tula jande ali laje taxi na alfika udi folende. Ali pa kotek. Algeria mu duniyalti. Algeria mu duniyalti. I'm telling you from a town, for example, ni bora Borso ekata Tamaraset, for example. Tamaraset Concord la bije mo bele jelo mo jarta jelo mo insilo ma jarta jelo. So jarol bije bot mafial solle kana. Bot me Borso fole demande fana jani be bolaje. Ya jela mbota o Kenya kono sidi nata jem fraje taxi ka kayto de la, for example, kabinto la ko soro nga ko jum be joate o be organize le with that 22,000. I taxi fana organize le.
Wala to lo ko soro mustaq.
Yeah. He really try wala nan ko alata ko a katale. Anyanda ka menke a okele. Mpata je mola kayto ngol di mola wala taxi nyina fenkoti number ni fata je ke nyini kaw so truck yo ken ini kido sidi ka mo bouté.
Check it out.
Kidi kimo. Yeah. There is nothing you can do. It can lipa kidi kimo la. Because of why? Okay, sula kanf. You don't understand akamenfu. Akoy ko allo rangola. Kayto be membul allo rangola. Ite ma understand me ko mo beje lo langola tina allo rangola. Because you cannot speak Arabic. So language barrier ni, it's also another disadvantage. So it's another problem. If you face it, it became from bonino akono. So you go through torture. One mistake, sula ma mistake along. Ika mistake ko kenya ke bunta wala nyam. So for example, ni ndata ko kayto fana control pour melbe duna taxi kono yete taraje. C'est another problem fele. Kika ngose kika na nyawnya kido babul. Akeli pakidi kungola ate bunna force de. Akeli pakidi kungola. If you react abe bunna. Dindi mereng mi alan komi ko sa muta ali pa fo la fela fal. But there is nothing you can do. Just to keep patient. Andung, I thought you will know that I'll be all fight la. Alta make la. I thought me alta make la because we need a motor le nata.
Tamala.
Yeah. I thought I'll never meet a not le lipa ale olfa. I thought I'll not be na bola jenyan. I'll be the fala jil. So you have to keep patient. You umari nymbute. Is satisfied that ya bola. Lala silo continue. It's so hard. So what can moja mal fa, for example, what 2 days journey and more can make le. More can tamale what 2 days without water, without food. They make it. Mol fana mojamal fana ka fawto mojamal fana ka to ko
so ya sama taxi ya sama dami alba bola wolto ay okay taxi
troko e mol to dami taxi be mol ci kala wolto ay mol samba ko like hours.
So some people will walk.
Yeah, they walk it 2 days akayta wolto pre futaji.
So what about you?
Taxi len samba
luckily
yeah how do
you feel about that? Like
yeah was
ya way ko moja jol ka tamal 2 days
okay kabi ko taxi ticket all tiketo ika moji la tiketo boli so for example dol man kango understand dol bije ba calculate sa hada badi ko mol man killing mo dol bije ko mi ka moji la ko kake fana yake but you have to be observant ita man kango moy but ni moji be ko me kele ba jibe la for example sula bi na ka ba adu sula bi ala ko be mo control
so im ka tara haje because yalla illegal ko la
yeah
so they try to comme ka tara haje ne ka ko nying set up
exactly so ikatara haujere ne ikatara kolkela so they are doing things you know melan komi ko fanga lon komi ko nying alunde komi ko it's not done but they still do it Like they don't have time. Because you can't go melajan, kudo bina mol terrajan. So their work is at risk too. Because ni the government they have to go for 10 years in prison.
Yeah.
And they also have to pay money for it.
But 2 days in because me because it's a time it's a batanya it ji kababa mo tele block no
ji kababa ji be manke problem fo nin kankan na tal traji kankan kan wulle fo sando kankan camera fo ikama amanka tumoti de it's like a sort of hills, not like kankan o damma comme yakake mountain not sahara kono nin kankan o wulta o beka janjan ni wote traji you are dead, no option. Yeah. So jandi moto fanan kawul jandi troko kawul kalone komi ko bita direction jumale mbuta muntumale. They know when it's coming because that is their work. They know all the time. So wala ka moje mal lokindi for example lobe tamaka o 2 days sol kono ato nyana ka futa lummenna to mo futa lungola o kan kawna tatul taraji you are all dead
because I'll be inhale about be fala.
Yeah.
So ale amone ko moje mal fara inalo
ken ikatale ka freta sido kan so amaka mi ko ikan moyle ikajele. So for example like Jamal fana bije kan ko nyine ke mura for example ni mobita kan afatal bulu albe kenyo nyine ke because kenyo da male aka kenyo yo wuru kala amare ke ya fenke din kan ko na rabo mare ni bondi la leno o kan ko na sela kan sia so kan ko bije ka komi they will take a stick ya londi je komi ya lon ko bade ko it's thousands of them before like a mold bade da men bade ko ji wol fonke makole pelo ka tare bulle no
so you see your own fellow brothers dying and then hundreds of them lying down on the journey from Algeria, getting, trying to cross 1 or 2 places to get into another city. What within that, look, let me say, that location. And then
manya ka fulo wala first place ti. Nga bar so men foyete wala first place ti.
So mo fulo ka laring.
Ma journey from start foyete mo jaba fara.
So what comes to your mind?
Probably I'm next.
So say, at that moment do you regret?
Of course.
Thank you. Because I want to know the truth.
Regretting not like kabri Bamako. Bamako siol wala gara so domoro si ba domoro mo fenke because ka membele ma ka be findindle. Because akake new domorolati men ko bi ani mo ko work jio dum buka minno Algeria kono mebi jio ni neti ga kono ka yoele jio la kando
so ba ko fande ko
I regret
yeah
I regret it earlier. I regret the woman thing and for being sometimes I regret but it's also my best decision in my life.
I like this because the reason why I want to say this is because alhamdulillah you are protected but you have seen that so many of your brothers and sisters, they perished. If I understand. You understand? And that, for that being the case, you understand? You know, okay, even though I'm making, but to be honest, I regret taking that journey. Be I am friend and not make. But you can name Gambia, Omagami, when you can actually look at Hanata to Abu, a coin friend and this is so I will talk about that, not regret all. I will talk about it. But I want to first talk about how I was able to manage to get to that position. Tell me, I'm interested. So tell me now from Algeria.
Okay. So Algeria, mkada mfete wo Sahara Desert kono borsol. So nata for Timbuktu, right? Yeah, kabu borsol kana Timbuktu. So Timbuktu fanang nata nga koksero mentara because koksero me koma ay nyaton kolone. So he have ni koksero me koma he have to direct you to another kokser. So ne koksero sort of force. At the first place, so you are a little bit secure about Coxers because now you have the contact. About Coxeron menyata bafle okay, Coxeron be Timbuktu, Karileng. Nila from be pusla Karido yale. So you have to check Dumala pushing be betalaje probably, but he also have to scare those people because you give him your money, he send that money to that person. So akafanya komiko ebe kudo kala mbela mota da Gambia. Ntolo Coxero wala. He scared them. He was like ebe kukela da mbela mota da Gambia. He always go to the Gambia. Akatala kana. His movements were smooth. For him, he was secured there. He was well known where he was.
That's very good.
So, Kabri Amot Pus, Nata Timbuktu, Benunje, it was level. 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, Nko Coxeronia, Kokodo Molbulemba, Jola, Bemol Pusla. Akumule 10,000. So, without hesitation, Nakodo Ninjo. Yeah. Okay, then his pushing was good. I moved push previously.
We were comfortable.
Yeah, we were comfortable with him because of Memul Push Nanjana, Aldoko Seneatale. So he also know him very well and he was like, Namal Push ko alafoni. So without hesitation, Nakodo Ninjo, I will push. Kabraka Mol Push, he did a very big mistake that we regretted more and it affected more. Même we lose everything because what's more important is your phone. Without communication, you people are all dead. Without communication, you are dead. And you see, people know me very well. Like I'm vocal, yes, but I'm very intelligent.
I know.
Before I take decisions, I know. When I take decisions, they are always good.
Because you make
they
sure
are not perfect, but they are always good. See, they come from Timbuktu. Moli alone, they are watching me. They will know. I will push. I will pocket money. He was having our pocket money. I could deal at Gambia. Pradi mola. I'm off for the mola. I will dame. Bitikol bijel minal mal taraji. Taxi na tayo mo chika waso monda. Ay mo somebody. Connection la njeti. Konkol da male bijel. So moto dole nyana kanaka mol pick je. Taxi mol bondi da moto dole nyana kanaka mol pick. Sidi. Ndol bijel like 2-3 days. Ala len tol mako kabin kata. Nin jodol tatale. Do morte mol. Because he was coming there and there are shops there. That were his words.
Yeah.
And he's having our money. Even there were shops there, how will we be able to feed ourselves without money? So, you have to sit there. So, when I come to do there are other migrants, connection doto. For example, like Nabo ni Nakanyola, like Alawocho. Come you can abe driver nyinga be fenko jibela sula nyinga be ela baga sula be santo jibe wero jibela ko ni wocho be bol fenko abafla wafima ni ma son he can take it by force. So untol ay menken tolla ay mafia so le call itata mul batu nyaato because funo be mul bulle anu funo be communicate ka wala ntala funo ntala bago kabrin Gambia foja na baga so ntenga be ke borol tewo ya na baga so comme yem bendle sula le bendle na kabosika. This mark is from one of my boy. We have alone alone I Spain the sign. Betama kan kabola mafia solta ramol baton nyato because they know already the materials we are having. They know command the conquest and the jitana. Yo kana mol attack. Ini like kidol ni la ni lipar rawon ni fenko no. Nkoy ko ninga nyim baga sol di nyula. We were many because kabum fatata je connection len jeti. Kabum fatata je there were other people. Because ninga nyim baga sol di mola jaw we are dead.
Ala ko bati.
Ko kal ngekelendi. They are not going to shoot because soldier be nyatole. They are just trying to scare us. Kabul teta. Na boni wata metama container kabo enfara. Ntama the mountain of cross ta iba mulma. I swear to God, and I was the leading person. And I'm among the youngest.
The smallest.
Yeah.
Yeah, in thousand iko iko ke cheka namba ya ko mo sojo le Gambia ni
so ma kala do ka fani ko dangam ten Gambia ne yalla diamu ko ngata ni ko menna mbe soronde la ñu la jey mo le bagaso betala and we will not be able because do la nga mo letu ko man ni mel ni na communicate lay no na ko soron nata communicate no
alta tan nga banta
so dal na mo be dame mason sidin kanta jela ntara dame fanam bije yalla sula na ko sijam siya baron he knows where you are ni move there you feel like feeling so you are dead you cannot go back it tano nyari tano koma. So one communication is very important. Nyinsi loka. Sidi mbije mbesiri nkonka koksoro nyimbatu. First day tata.
Amai.
Second day tata. Wulta somonda. Ngo bole ko ninko mbesiri jambe fale. Ngajio nyimbanda nimen ngamenchi kana nata. Ngo eko wo polo le kamenje jana. Silole. Ikamuto kuma kama mwele but it was later ngo ko jamfata le no. Ngo ko let's go there satele. Dole sija ngataji. Ngataji yuni ani ndomoro. Askeno ako driver binamul kamala si den taraje ngasate taraje si lo lanje ngasate taraje bonto bokna dame taxi mo ci kanam je jam fata nde muro ni ko metamla ka murje nte tamano lay no abe jam fala ante na silo fana boni no lay no ko satel ka wara son taraje sulani bala fate mo lay no comme domoro de mo lay jodi mo la nga bidangol ni silo kanten ñin na fenko evian bidangol te nga jol ke ko no sama nak ko gale ko sate bi ñana so nga fenko fana nga connection because man fenko so credit ko so direct call me ko so nga call akumule ka canal wo evening ndro nga laaje la fo di tadde fana bijele comme ni wulta tadde comme it cannot continue like that domorte mo every time kata sate to jan kata dum rol dani ate work no lay no so ala nata ke wo wularo ni tadde la wularo ni driver natana amulta fu driver ni kumbora sula driver dol bije ka bala fa sotlet
ha ko sula fon dol bije bala fa sotlet
yeah I multa situation ni men kono akuma kabri mun mol bi kabri kunun ko mol bi
so alla sister yamna albalo be
ibalo tara juna kabri Algeria kabri bugin kabri Bamako balo tara woldo kando one you are always ibuka jio buka soto jio fa minno wado you are always hydrated.
Wow.
So sidi mben wala nyama drive ni craft na mula ay multra situation mento no ay mutolo follow skin atata jioni do moro nyina wodi mula flo nga domo ata mul boni je because wota matra Niger kelo bije so ila fenkol ila njetol ni fenkol e be tambi kam mol ko ngoto je fa ndol fango folo ndol sitata we are thinking like they are looking at us to attack or stuff like that but Niger kelo bije be bagato samba kan jelto na bagato transport kan so kon mol ko man safe no nyun men bija kelo bija na tenin mbal bon la jangatal nga mabo blado to minal kam la je sutu ay mul cika ala moto nyina tata mul mabo jana sutu rek na tamul kam so from Tamara set kata deb ngamra from Tamara set you have to go to deb Algeria kon
in deb mero mala
is it Urugila no after deb you go to Urugila you go to Tebes yeah deb was a cool place if you enter there ni dunta je already you are safe as a migrant. You can play your football, you will not be disturbed. It's also the border to go to Libya. It's very close to Libya. Nite ko kata ni Tunis la, you know kata Libya, you know beta 5 futa like 2 days ite manyaka follow la silola. Yeah, because after Deb you have to go to Origila. After Origila you have to proceed to Tunisia kono. So mbije. So Deb we have our freedom back. Freedom on Sorora. We have our movements, so we were able to communicate our family. Then, ndela family ka long, nimbo nyimpo membe siloka. Na family ka long come you control be siloka ne. It's like 2 weeks later. 2 weeks what am to jam fata. 2 weeks na broda ko because every weekend kana weekend ola. So na mom manje na ta weekend ola. Alo woldo komiko something is happening. So akasobi mo len fana mena komiko akasobi juna le no. So na brother nyin nata fanya komiko mero nyi yamla senta for like you can tell her that is when they realize that we left the country.
Wow.
Because I know that there is no way they can tell me to come back home or stuff like that. So mbe deb ngana freedom was from bije mbe fayeto was also cool, but the problem is kaboje you have to inyanda ka tamo siata wolto zen. Because konko lenjiti motoba sambala albe konko over time like hours.
Oh my yeah.
Je muskono ma do bije malong fire make le fama make. We did her 3-man lifting. Like the time I was in school I was doing first aid and stuff like that. So nina boy nying anim boy do len ko nga muzo nyi makwe muzo kono bala timo akema nyi mu koksero tunu. Jana Mursani anatina nyi bagwe. Gameno. Muzo nyi kono baro mamba be siloka. Ke wonyi fana be siloka bo ke wonyi manna muzo hati.
I cannot understand. I think you slow for Yamen, Tamon Ben, but I'm Ben Lar.
Yeah.
You go Konobala.
Konobak maybe 8 to 9 months. What have mom Okatamanula, but Muso Yamianka Wuluda, Muso in Namana make, but didn't want Yamek. Because of Tamon in Timon in the Bata.
Musukonoma about Tamula hours.
See the mountain, I'm coming hours, the mountain, I can't tell from Wado, in the phone, no Muruna. Suto, and the problem is more killing. Comme menga group elite comme cela akatandala nyata ka fay nyam they have a special name for this person judo genau wala kataraji akatara nyatole he's always at the front but sometimes he prefers to come back pour que mol forcer ale tam teria katama ni nalni wala special jam fata jola al ni wol fin la nyola abantale ida police le be muta anun to bita kan time men watra tonis over koliatale ni mureke sama na e ke sama dame fongo wala sama Niger ye jolo Niger so Niger ni sama woto ni tamata na dame sutata wala Tamara janti Timbuktu genau akam da ko ta nyato murun komo so you have to pay extra money again to get to where you were.
But you got the time okono I want to know this muskono mato akema mun ko sherolti akema musokono bala ama hat Nanda mahat. Kolia fo?
Silo nyi kumwe ke mira wala. Sidi nse jam foye muso ni na ko mina wata nse jam foye ya gambe no fon jele our mentality we should try and change a little bit ndani mo be no silo kan for example like mfilta nyoma like 2 days 3 days nyanga nyoje ndani wala wulta nyola ita fla komiko like they realize that ndani wo filta nyoma leno because yale ni la family fana ko communicate no but information ka over yale ni generation ko no what they say was like ha ngalone come about feel like come la family no some of the people me and come they are not even my family or his family they are like ha ngalone come about la come because his family is more stronger than their family so they will try to support him and not the other one not knowing that I was having my money he was been ala brother about my support kan his brother shout out to his brother you know he did everything for his younger brother I think obele kai you know mo me okay mo you know yalo ya bele kai atabe sirin ko ma defo setama
no for sure
akado ko may ko ni tarambe mako la
support la no aya ngani be
support fa dundi so yalo
just to clarify this before we sorry go just to clarify this but before we jump into al shelter nyame la kada nyame iko musu kono ma to molu musu kono ma to e flanken silo tala kada
yeah musu kono ma silo kan probably kono mata abulu
koksoro bulu
yeah kabin koksoro nyin kana kabri kana silo kan koksoro nyin mata fasala
abanda fasala
no
be ga fante ta muso
yeah afastala no brala musole
ana wala Gambia
yeah and I know they have kids I'm very sure imangi dinindi they will be like 30s plus muso nyin kono ba ntolenga muso nyin chikan nina bo nyin 3 man lifting nga muso nyin chikan ka konkosele yeah billahi wallahi tallahi Sidi I know what I did you know yalo come for example like
left ambolede alila mo jom folo man la fa ngul alila mo jom folo patri muso be damintu alias ke damena continue
and what inspired me to share my story because I've been seeing many people who have been sharing their stories and they inspired me they came to this country the same way I came and I'm inspired because I'm following their footsteps and I also want to be like them even more than them you know so them sharing their stories with Sidi Show I also want to share my own story so that I can also inspire other people because I came here as a young person try to work on this and that try to figure out what is good for me and what is good for my people back home you know taking the biggest decision of my life leaving my home country coming to Germany here I know it's a big move I'm not going backward I'm always going forward so I'm very grateful meeting Sidi here and today I'll be sharing my important and very interesting story of how I left the Gambia, you know, to the Sahara Desert, crossing the Mediterranean Sea, get to Italy, live there and come to Germany. Alhamdulillah, today I'm doing good and I'll be sharing my interesting story about how everything occurred. Stay tuned, watch the videos on YouTube, TikTok, and don't forget to subscribe.